Bell. And what's your favorite candy?
Rolla.
Rolos? Nice. You think we're gonna get any Rolos today?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your second favorite candy?
Lollipop.
Lollipops. Cool. What's your name?
Alex Arias.
Alex Rodriguez. What's your favorite candy?
Sour Patch Kids.
Sour Patch Kids. What's your name?
Justine.
Justine, who are you today?
Jeremy Shack.
Jeremy Shockey. What's your favorite candy?
Lollipop.
What's your name?
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell. What's your favorite candy?
Pink.
Pink candies. Nice. And what's your second favorite candy?
Lollipop.
Lollipops. Great. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, go with your mom and dad.
Let's do one more, Chelsea. Good girl.
Yeah.
Mom, I just died.
Now I need all four of you guys.
I'm coming.
Here, let Chelsea in there. I'm gonna be a picture. Let's get past you.
Okay, everybody look at Aunt Jody. Jeremy, stand closer.
One
Awesome.
more.
Look at mommy, right here.
Sarah, put your things. All right, good job.
What a motley crew.
Chelsea, put the bracelet in.